My window unit air conditioner keeps jumping to E8 and stops cooling.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Gee, and I have not replaced the air filter. I have had it for 2 years now.
How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It's been a few months, and I have to keep hitting the restart button off and on every 45 minutes to every 1 hour.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not that I know at this time.
Hello, my name is Emma, HVAC expert with JustAnswer. I'll be happy to try and help you with this issue. Do you mind sending me a picture of the unit and where it's installed?
Hello, it's a GE window unit 2 years old, 10.000 BTU, indent window.
Okay, thank you for the picture. On the outside, is the unit in direct sunlight or is there any shade over the unit? Has it ever been pulled out and cleaned, the back coil? The E8 error means the unit has shut off due to high heat or humidity. This can be from several reasons, but just wondering if the outside is in a high heat area or in direct sunlight. What is the high temp in your area? The most common reason these units cool for a while then shut off with E8 is the coil in the back may be clogged up or dirty. This isn't the area you can see when looking at the back if you're standing outside, it's the other side of the outdoor coil that is on the inside. If you take the unit out and open it up, you can probably clean the back coil from the inside. If you look in the back coil from the inside and it has dirt or debris on the coil, this may be all the unit needs is a good cleaning. If you have some high pressure air blow into the back of the coil, you may be able to clean it without uninstalling it. Be careful if you use water and don't get the motor wet.
Thanks, going to do that. And see if it helps.
Sounds good, I hope it helps. If you can somehow get some shade on the outside of it, that may help too. Just don't get it to close that it can't get air cycling through it. I bet the back coils are the problem. That's very common issue with window units. Good luck, Cory.
Thank you for your help. You have a good afternoon.
You're very welcome. You too.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.